Chevrolet did a great deal appropriate with the 2018 Equinox. The new little hybrid is lighter, littler, all the more forcefully styled, better prepared no matter how you look at it, and is for the most part a more total, capable vehicle than anything to wear the Equinox identification. New during the current year, the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox will be offered in L, LS, LT, and Premier trims. It went on special toward the finish of March. The 2.0T assigns the third-age Equinox's new discretionary motor, a 2.0-litre turbo 4 that makes 252 horsepower and 260 pounds-feet of torque. Be that as it may, before getting our flight to the Music City, we had the chance to drive an Equinox FWD Premier with the base 1.5-litre turbo 4, a motor useful for 170 horsepower and 203 pounds-feet of torque. The Equinox earned a 6.6 on our general scale, which mirrors our inclination for the new body and its great efficiency. Drivers can match their Apple iPhone or Android cell phone with a standard 4G LTE Wi-Fi association and suck tunes from the web, which are diverted through the sound framework that is controlled by a standard 7.0-inch infotainment framework. Concealed headlights light up the street, while vented seats shoot the driver's rear with cool air. All around, this is a superior, more entire Equinox than preceded.